Good morning, my dear students. In this video, we go to see the topic Prose 3, a visitor from distant lands. The word a visitor, which means vegetables and spices which we are using in our day-to-day life. Distant lands means importing from other countries. In our day-to-day life, we are using more vegetables and fruits and spices in our life. But we don't know about it. We go to see about it in the form of Mani's family conversation. In this lesson, main characters are Mani, like you, and his sister, and his mummy, and his dad. And very, very important characters, green chilli and black pepper. Okay. Do you know about the green chilli? Chilli is the foreign visitor. What do you mean foreign visitor? The chilli is not our local vegetable. It is a foreign visitor, which came from foreign. Chilli is the foreign visitor mentioned in this lesson, in this picture also. It is very popular in South America. The sailor Columbus sailed to South America and identify it. Actually, Columbus was looking for India. He wanted to buy black pepper from Kerala. As chilli was as spicy as the black pepper, he packed it and took it back to his country. The Portuguese brought the chilies to India. Okay. You should be known about black pepper. In this corona period also, most of the doctors advised us to take black pepper. The black pepper, also known as black gold, because it's very costly. So that black pepper also known as black gold. Indians have been using black pepper for a long time. Not only in this corona period. Indians have been using it for a long time. Farmers began growing it in around 5,000 years ago. They exported to North and West Asia. The Romans sent 120 ships a year from Egypt to trade with India and bring back enormous quantities of pepper. So that we go to see about green chilli and black pepper in this lesson. Shall we move on the lesson? Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. Mani's families lived in Viluppuram district. One day, when Amma served potato curry, it may be breakfast or lunch or supper, whatever it is, Mummy was serving potato curry. Mani liked only a few vegetables, potatoes and lady's finger were the two that he liked very much. Mani liked very much two vegetables, potato and lady's finger. Here I want to explain about a few. What is the difference between a few and few? A few means some vegetables. Few, if you remove this article a, few, nothing. Okay? Here, Mani liked only a few vegetables. Only two vegetables. What are they? Potatoes and a lady's finger. While Mummy was serving potato curry, Mani told that he didn't want to eat potato from that day because they are foreign vegetables. அது வந்து foreign vegetables அப்படிங்கிறதுனால Mani didn't like to eat potatoes from that day onwards. Immediately his sister, no, they are not. Amma bought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. His sister replied him, they bought from the bus stop. They bought from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. மணி சொல்றான், அந்த பொட்டேட்டோஸ் வந்து அன்னையிலிருந்து சாப்பிட மாட்டேன் பிகாஸ் they are foreign vegetables அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். அப்ப his sister என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, no, it bought from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. bus stop பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய vegetable shopல இருந்து வாங்கப்பட்டது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி his sister சொல்றாப்ல. Mani complained his father about his sister. He told that his sister was too little. She doesn't know anything. He complained like that. சின்ன குழந்தையா இருக்கிறா, அவளுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அப்பாட்ட கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்றாப்ல. ஏன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, that potatoes are not from India. The potatoes are foreign visitor, distant visitor, not from India. She doesn't know about this information. இந்த பொட்டோட்டோஸ் வந்து ஃபாரின்ல உள்ளது, இந்தியாவில் உள்ளது கிடையாது. இது கூட சிஸ்டருக்கு தெரியல, சின்ன குழந்தையா இருக்கிறா அப்படின்னு he complained. Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat local grown food. His teacher advised him to buy and eat local grown food. இந்தியாவிலேயே அவங்க சொந்த கிராமத்திலேயே விளைந்த பொருட்களை வாங்கி சாப்பிடணும். we must avoid foreign food அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கிறாப்ல. அது அப்படியே இங்க வந்து என்ன செய்யறான் அப்படின்னா அப்ளை பண்றான். ஓகேவா? Now Mani complained about his sister with his father. என்ன சொன்னா அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, she is too little, she doesn't know anything about potatoes and vegetables. Potatoes are distant lands, distant visitor, foreign visitor, not local grown food, not local grown vegetable. She doesn't know this information. Just like he complained his father. His father, so what? அதனால என்ன இப்போ? She is too little. அவ சின்ன குழந்தை தானே அப்படின்னு அப்பா சொல்றாங்க. Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food. Our teacher advised us to buy and eat locally grown food. அப்படிங்கிற மேட்டரை வந்து அப்பாட்ட என்ன செய்யறாப்புல சொல்றாப்புல. His sister asked him, what else did your teacher tell you? Then anything else the teacher told you? Just like she asked Mani. Mani சொல்றாப்புல, she also told us to use things made in our country. இந்தியாவிலே செய்யப்பட்ட பொருட்களை மட்டுமே we must use அப்படின்னு சொல்லி என்னுடைய டீச்சர் வந்து என்ன செஞ்சாங்க அப்படின்னா சொன்னாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றாப்புல. உடனே then you cannot eat popcorn next time we go to watch a movie. his mummy சொல்றாப்புல, good, you should not ask us to get popcorn. when we go to watch a movie அப்படின்னு மம்மி சொல்றாப்ல. உடனே சிஸ்டர் சொல்றாப்ல, மணி then you can't order anything, you should not order anything, நீ எதுவுமே ஆர்டர் பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாப்ல. அப்பா என்ன சொல்றாப்ல, and you cannot order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice, you should not order tomato soup and pineapple juice. இப்படி 3 பேர் என்ன செய்யறாங்க, மணிட்ட வந்து என்ன செய்யறாங்க சொல்றாங்க. உடனே why can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? ஏன் நான் இந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் நான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்குமே, இதெல்லாம் நான் ஏன் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, ஏன் நான் ஆர்டர் பண்ணக்கூடாது? Don't you know that corn, tomatoes and even ladies' fingers all came from other countries? All of them from other countries. So, you do not ask anything. அப்படின்னு மம்மி என்ன செய்யறாப்ல அப்படின்னா ரிப்ளை பண்றாப்ல. ஓகேவா, இது நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்கலாம்.